Alright, the last step. This is where you can bring your drawings in. After you have watched the video about how to make the alien, like this one, you can obviously do any drawings you like. It could be an alien, it could be a lady walking, it could be like my bird flying. You do all your pieces separately. Whatever you were planning to put into your landscape as an animation has been a new drawing. Now that drawing could be like this little girl. When I open her, she is just a drawing. She is not moving. There is no other frames, it's one frame. That is an option as well. So I'm going to show you how to add the girl and move her across your page without the movement, and then we'll compare it to the one that does have the movement. So first of all, we'll open up our composition that we started before. Click the star and choose our girl. You'll notice she comes out much bigger. So using the blue dots only, not the green dot, you'll see why, we size her. And we need to move her off of the page where we want her to start moving. Notice again, she is 2 seconds, so we need to make her a little bit longer. Now what I'm going to do is hold down the green dot. Now you'll see what the green dot is for, and drag her across your page. That is the path line. That is your easiest way to get something moving in animation. So if we click play, whee! Now, she is really fast because she is only going for 2 seconds. So if I want her to be slower, then I need to move the orange dot and make her longer than the 2 seconds. Or I could drop her in again and put her in and repeat. So we resize her, and I could bring her in again. So you can have a play with that one. The other thing you can add is, if you want to, first of all, if you want to remove this layer, which I do, click the square with the arrow pointing out. This is where you can reset if you've made a path and you want to change your mind, or just delete. That is the one area that's not so clear to find. Now what I'm going to do is show you a moving one. So if I choose my butterfly and I resize it, notice it dropped in where the red line was. I can of course move that to where I want it to come in. Do I want it to come in with the girl? Do I want it to come in after the girl? I resize it again. Do I want it to start on the page, or do I want it to go off the page? And the same thing, hold down the green and move the green where you want the butterfly to go. This time my butterfly is animated in the drawing mode, and I'll just pull that out a little longer, and that will make it slow down. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got. We have our fast girl, and in comes our butterfly flying over the top. So if your drawing is animated in the drawing setting, you can move it across the page. It looks a little more realistic. Or if you're starting out, you can do a normal drawing, fill it with color, use a path line, and take it across your page. The last thing you want to do is to go to Gallery, slide it across, it's saved automatically, and share. And we want to save that as a video, whatever size you're wanting your video to be, and that will save to your camera roll.